Damn. Wow.
One Toyota Supra. Now you guys have seen this car on the channel several times.
Beautiful.
The owner finally took off the big spoiler.
I don't know why Auto Glory don't like the spoilers. Like, I don't understand. To me, it makes it everything. It makes the Supra. Like right now, it'd be low-key looking naked.
So she'll be running a little bit quicker now. Won't be a huge difference. Now this car is a complete full bolt-on car, full turbo back exhaust system, intake manifold, cold air intake with port injection, running on E85. He's street tuned. He's making probably somewhere around very, very low 500s to the wheels. And he's gonna be running up against a 2019 Audi RS3. Now there are two Nardo Gray 2019 Audi RS3s that are running full bolt-ons on the 85. This one's only been featured on our channel only a few times. This is not the one that just ran up against the BMW M4. Now he is running on open downpipe, so he's definitely a louder car. I think the other one is a little bit faster, but only by a small margin.
That intake is
so for
huge.
this race, both these cars are gonna be going solo. So let's see how it goes.
Solo race. I don't prefer solo, but whatever. Supra. Nice little 50 roll. Let's see what's good. Damn. What? It looked like he let him get the hit. Was he expecting him to be slow or something? I'm confused. Run it one more time. Run it one more time. Yeah, run it one more time. Damn. Wow. The chasing car sounds amazing. The RS3 is, wow. Oh, the super split flames.
Woo! I saw that flame.
The RS3, such a beautiful noise. Oh, this was way better. I knew last race he was capping. Damn, but he still lost top end? Oh shit. Yep, he lost top end. Damn, B58 pulled stronger top end.